Hello, my lovely anatomists and physiologists. Michele Glass here, and we are talking about our last structure of the integumentary system, which are our nails. And what is the job of the nails? Well, they're going to protect the tips of the fingers and toes. Okay, that's pretty nice and obvious. And then they're going to provide, we can say, back support for fingers. Meaning you have one side of your finger that's soft, you have another side that's hard. So that's giving you a little bit more, I guess, dexterity because you have that hard surface to push up against. And we're not going to go actually super detailed in the anatomy, but let's do just a touch. So I'm going to draw my finger here. Here we go, another one of my beautiful drawings. And let's go with the hot pink nail. I hope you all enjoy my drawings as much as I do. How about that? That looks pretty good. So this is my finger. And this tissue that we see kind of over top of the nail, which I call a cuticle, is technically called Hyponychium. And then we have a corresponding, like right here, kind of like a large amount of stratum corneum underneath the nail body here called the Hyponychium. That's that tissue of your nail biter. If you rip a nail or you clip the nail super short, you get to that layer of tissue. And for me, I don't really like it to be exposed. It doesn't feel very good to me. So that's how I know, like, oh, I got to my Hyponychium. This nail portion here, which is well embedded into the finger, is called the nail root. And the nail root is going to contain the matrix with the stem cells. So again, in order to continue to produce a nail, you have to have an intact nail root. If your nail root gets damaged, you won't be able to grow a nail from that particular digit. And then this nail that we can see over top, let me label it a little bit further back so you realize it's all of this sort of exposed part of the nail, is called the nail body. And that's essentially what I want to say about nails. So I have just a little bit left to discuss in this system, so stay tuned.